You say you're serving where?
14 brigade and half year, sir.
You said?
14 brigade and half year.
14D.
14 brigade and half year.
14 brigade and half year.
Yes, sir.
What's your name?
That's Corporal Chukwuka.
That's
Corporal Chukwuka. Yes, sir.
How did they see what you did?
Well, sir, it's very, very wrong. It's very, very wrong of me.
How can you go and carry someone for nothing? You have to use. Look at bring that ass. Look at the kind of ass you use on your fellow human being, and they rip him of everything he had. How much do people collect for him? I'm asking you.
Sir, he sent
how much?
5
How much?
5 M to the guy.
5
M. 4,999,000.
4,999,000.
99,000. But young man sent 1.5.
Look at what he used. Where is the handcuff you used on him? Use the handcuff you used on him for doing nothing against you because somebody called you and you are a service soldier. It's unfortunate. You guys are not representing us well. Some of you are not representing us well. You can imagine. That's why they'll be insulting us for nothing. You can imagine you left your duty post and you're gallivanting around IMSU axis. Now, look at what you have cost yourself. Look at the level you've gotten yourself to now. Look at the level you've gotten yourself to. It's unfortunate. I just pray that this matter ends well. Say your name is what again? Last Corporal Chukwuka who?
Last Corporal Chukwuka.
Okay, who now? Chukwuka who?
Peter.
You're from where?
I'm from Bano.
From Bano. So how do you describe your action?
Because my action was an illegal action. It was not right of me. It was an illegal action, sir.
So how many people went for this operation?
It's only me and the one soldier I met on the interview that was, and I tried to get into.
What's the name of the soldier?
The name of the soldier, I think his name is either Ifan. I don't even. I think say it.
Don't lie to me here. What's the name of the soldier?
Sir, Ifan.
Ifan.
That's 12A. 12A is my senior.
He's a senior.
Yes, sir.
Where is he serving?
He said he's serving at that's 13 Brigade, Abakaliki.
13 Brigade, Abakaliki.
Yes.
And both of you, how much was transferred to you? How much was the share?
1.5, sir.
1.5.
Yes, sir.
How do you see, and how would you feel if your younger brother was just accosted this way, use this kind of their ask, you are using, and handcuff him back and beat him mercilessly like this and force him to transfer 4,900,000 and the what? 99,000. And you are comfortable and you took your own share of 1.5 and you were happy taking the money. It's unfortunate. IgboAmaka is very unfortunate. It's very unfortunate. I don't know. I hope you know that this is pure armed robbery, right? You know. It is well.
One thing about life is this, you see that evil, you see that bad thing where they do inside darkness. The day right, it go shine on you. That day you go remember saying that devil send you. Now devil ask you to do those bad things and those evil things where they do inside darkness. Do you understand me? If no they pay. I will keep on telling you people this. Whether you be police force or you be army, any position where you they hold in Nigeria, use them for good. Because you are serving people. You know, you hold a public office. Do you understand me? There is a lot going on in Nigeria from the south, north, and the east. Do you understand me? Nigeria go ka ọ ga-adị. Nigeria ya bụ sometimes ị na-ele things anya ka things si aga ebe ahụ ị na-ajụ onwe, can this country be redeemed? Do you understand what I'm saying? Can that country mụ na gị na-abụ nọ na ya na onwe ka a ga-esi megide ya emekwata ya to na extend na ife ga-agaba n'anya ya ka ebe human being na-eme exist? Because for now, Nigeria nọ ka that is Banana Republic, ka that is Animal Kingdom. that anything can happen. A nwere ike ị na-agba n'ụzọ mmadụ akpagha gị and ya lafụ onye kpaghere gị. Do you understand me? Mmadụ nwere ike ịkwụ onye amị ụgwọ ya bịa buru gị because of na gị na ya na-abụ nwere civil issue. Do you understand what I'm saying? A lot is going on. There is a lot of intimidation. There is a lot of, suppression and oppression na Nigeria. Nke gbara n'elu akwụkwọ ka mụ na gị na-abụ na ya na-afụ. Do you understand? And that's why ya mpụtara ebe a na m agwa gị ka ịkwụba aka gị ọtọ, because every evil or every bad thing wey you dey do, the days of reckoning is coming. You go surely correct your own share. Ịghọtago? Maka ndị Igbo si n'ọhịa anyị tụrụ n'ọda ka ị ga-anala. In no distance time, ị ga-anata ụgwọ ọrụ ife ọbụla ị na-arụ. Ndị Igbo si onye lụọ ya rie, onye zakụkwanụ ya kpoo ekpopụrụ ya gbaba ụnụ. Ịghọtago na na ọya nwoke kporo je juo ntụ ụtụtụ ga-echerere ya na mmiri nọ na-ejudo ọrụ nwa nkịta na ezi afa ka ego. This is ihe ọya mpụtara na m agwa gị, kwụba aka gị ọtọ n'ife ọbụla ị na-eme, si were ezigbo ife mara gị. Look at this guy na onye Igbo anyị kwa ịkpara amị, ọ bụrụ nke gị iji wee na-etimuleti ụmụnne gị ma iji gabazi ịlọbiri bụ nyanwa bụ ife ga-akwụ gị ụgwọ. Ọ bụrụ dat na ị marata na ndị amị na-ada akwụkwọ ụgwọ na Nigeria, then there is no need of you joining them. Ma ọ bụrụ na ị ma na ego ị na-enweta ebe ahụ ama na-ezuru gị. Ịghọtago? Mmadụ a na-akwa agba abụbụ etu ụtọ, ekenekwenu m unu. Kwụba aka gị ọtọ nwanne m, because ihe ọjọọ ọbụla ị na-eme ka edisgresi gị in no distance time, itinye n'ọkwa ekwensu. Mana ọ bụrụ ekwensu na gị nwa bụ data ekwensu. Do you understand? All greediness gị, selfishness gị and self-centeredness bụ ife ga-eri di gị n'ihe ga-edisgresi gị one day. Ka emesịa.